How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. We make daily videos on stocks and options. So let's get into this video right now. So today we're going to be talking about AMC. AMC Entertainment. Obviously, this is one of the most popular stocks out there. Everyone's anticipating the short squeeze. The short interest is pretty high. And right now we have a lot of bullish momentum in this stock. Everyone's pouring their money into shares, pouring their money to call options, and the retail investors are trying to pump this stock to show the hedge funds that how powerful retail investors can be. So we're going to be going over something that's pretty interesting. So the AMC CEO actually had an interview, and he got caught with his pants down on an interview, probably signaling or hinting at that there's naked shorts happening. I don't know if this is correlated to that. But we have good news because the CEO promised investors that the company wouldn't sell off any more shares, which is very good. They raised their capital, they got themselves out of bankruptcy, and now they're promising investors that that's not going to be happening anymore. They raised enough capital, they saved the company. So earlier in the week, last Friday, they sold off a few million shares. This kind of tanked the stock a little bit, but has recovered since. So they sold off a lot of shares to try and raise capital, obviously to use that to reinvest it into the company, which I think in the long term, that's a very good move. They're going to be taking profits at a pretty good level, and overall for AMC, they're going to survive. So it pretty much guarantees their survivability. But this is pretty good news that they announced that they're not going to be selling off any more shares. So we're going to see nothing but pretty much either flat or steadily rise in the stock. The short squeeze has not happened yet. A lot of the hedge funds, institutions have not yet covered their shares. And there's a lot of rumors of naked shorts happening. Obviously, this incident could indicate that the CEO knows these naked shorts are happening. Obviously, having his pants down on the interview is not a good thing, but it could symbolize that naked shorts are happening, obviously. And that might be the case with AMC. We know a lot of hedge funds are shorting the stock. This stock is now pretty hard to borrow to short. So these institutions, these firms, could be naked shorting these stocks of AMC. So basically, what's happening is they're letting the shorters borrow stock that they don't even own. So it's basically if you have a car title, you make tons of copies of it, and then you sell them. You're pretty much selling something that doesn't even exist. So this could inflate AMC short interest even more. And the short squeeze could be even bigger than we think because of all these naked shorts happening. It goes on in the background and we don't even really see it because it is highly illegal. And the SEC has been cracking down on these brokerages, these firms, for naked shorting this stock. It's a highly illegal practice, and it just hammers down the stock and inflates it pretty much. So we're anticipating a short squeeze in the upcoming weeks. We don't know when it's going to happen, but it probably will be pretty major because of all the shorting going down on the stock. AMC has been on a downtrend for a while, and everyone is making all these institutions, these hedge funds have been hammering down the stock, trying to get it to bankruptcy. AMC even dipped under $2 at one point in January, which is pretty insane. So they almost bankrupt AMC, but all the retail investors jumped into the stock. They pretty much saved the company by buying up shares of AMC and pouring their money into this company, allowing AMC to fully recover from this massive downtrend that they've been having. But that's about it for this video. If it helped you anyway, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on AMC and shorting, and of course subscribe if you're new here to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.